Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make a blueberry crumble. I love blueberry desserts, and we have 8 pints of blueberries. We're gonna put it into our lasagna-sized baking dish, and we're gonna make a crumble topping with all-purpose flour, sugar, light brown sugar, orange zest, some butter, and then we're gonna toss our blueberries with some sugar and cornstarch. So let me get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it. Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe, and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes. Now make sure you pick through your blueberries. We don't want to have anything that has mold on it. And we also want to make sure we don't have any of those little twigs, these little sticks on the tip. So make sure you remove that and go through all of your blueberries. Now we're going to mix together 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Next, just toss it over our blueberries and then stir them together to make sure they're well coated. Pour it all into our lasagna-sized baking dish. To make the crumble topping, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a stand mixer. Mix that together. Add 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 2 cups of light brown sugar, Once that's all combined, we're going to add in our unsalted butter. It is cut into small cubes, and I put it into the freezer after I cut it to make sure it's nice and cold. While the mixer is cutting the butter into the dry ingredients, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. You want to make sure that all the butter is cut in and it's small and resembles sand. So if you see any lumps, keep mixing until it really is very fine. And you want to be able to pick it up and squeeze it and make little clumps. Now we're going to cover the blueberries with the crumble topping. Squeeze it together, make little chunks, and sprinkle it all over the top.
There we go. This has been in a 325-degree oven for 40 minutes. And see, we've got this golden brown color on the crumble topping, and the blueberries are ready to pop. So yes, it's time to take it out of the oven.
Here is our beautiful blueberry crumble. It smells amazing. It's cooled off a little bit, so I should be able to get this out. Look at that. Wow. Look at all those blueberries. Can't wait to dig in. Ooh, it's still hot. There we go. Let's get a look at that. Oh my God, that is so amazingly good. It is absolutely wonderful. I'm really happy. I'm sorry. This was fantastic. I'm so happy I made it. I hope you enjoy this and will be inspired to make it at home. Please check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. I have over 470, and come back for more. I make about 1 or 2 a week. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.